And said, told that bitch I love you. Girl, I'm just playing. We should have sex, girl, I'm just saying.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? Listen, I know there's another video showing the steps out there, but I might use this video is going straight forward. If you need to stop the video to see and look, stop it, because I'm going straight forward. Look, first you have to do is type on Google Handbrake. This is the software you need. I'm gonna leave the link in the description just in case you need it. This is the very first one. You download, install it, do what you gotta do. After you get it, this is what it's gonna look like. In the left top corner, all you have to do is open source. Get the video you want to get into Sharefactory. So I'm trying to get this video. Wait. You open it. Make sure the format is MP4. Unselect this, and select Web Optimize. Go to Dimensions. Make sure everything is okay in here. Everything you need. Make sure the resolution is used like that. 1080p HD. That's how I want it. That's how the video was recorded. Sorry. Go to filters. Go to interlace detection. Put that on fast. This is very important. Make sure to put that on fast. This is very important. The one under it, you go on the div. Make sure to put in your div. And make sure that you preset is on default. Then you go to video. Make sure the frame is 30 and the peak frame rate is selected. Go to profile right here where you say main. Put it on baseline. This is preferred. And then right here and additional options, you go on type. Use like this. Key int 30. Use like this. You just go and type it use like this. Then you go to audio. Make sure you're not touching the audio because it's going to show use like that. Make sure it use like this. You're not touching it. You're not going to touch anything else. Only thing you're going to touch is browse, of course. And then this is the USB right here. Sharefactory folder, videos folder, and then you choose, of course. Then click start. You gotta click start. Where you gonna wait? You see the bottom it said you gotta wait for the thing and code and stuff like that. So I'm gonna stop the video and gonna come back whenever this thing is done. So not to wait any time. All right, guys. I'm back after everything is done. After you see everything is done, after you seen the start again, you gonna go to your USB and you gonna eject the USB. Eject the USB, and then I see you back on my PS5.
Alright guys, so we back in here on my PS5. As you can see, I'm in the Sharefactory studio already. All you have to do is go back to the toolbox right here, import videos. Since it's in the video stuff, look at the videos I have. So yeah, you can see. I don't have the Fortnite Trying 20 that I had. So I'm importing from the USB. Watch this. Alright, you see where it says unable to open, right? All you have to do, listen to me, all you have to do is just click back. All you have to do is click circle. And look, where's that at? Fortnite Trying, right here. You can see the video right here and everything. Look, I even put the thanks for watching that I was just trying earlier, but look, this is Fortnite Trying right here. The one in the video. Then all you have to do is select it and you click square to import, and that's it, guys. I know there's a lot of videos about this, but I just went straight forward just to show y'all, like, y'all don't have to like wait and talk for all that. Make sure that at least subscribe, comment, like whatever y'all want to do. If y'all don't want to do that, that's fine though. I was just trying to help y'all. Can y'all just help me? That's like, now I'm just playing with y'all guys. But make sure that try it, and it's working right now, so y'all can see. So all you had to do is just click circle back. That's it. That's all. So thank y'all for watching, and y'all have a wonderful night or day, whatever.
I just got a check, I done already spent it. Here's your 2 cents, bitch, you should've kept it. Hit her from the back, put her in it full Nelson. 8 feet in the wood, I'm really misunderstood.